So here's the 627th millionth reason why you, as a filmmaker, need a 3D printer as a tool in your toolkit. So we have a Dolly here. This is the Pro-Am Brisa. It's a Dana Dolly copy. It's pretty cheap. It's very cheap if you compare it to the original Dana Dolly. So I had this problem here in this setup. We're going to do this Christmas cozy kind of vibe in our upcoming production here. And I wanted to raise the camera from the platform. And you can get these risers, which connects to the base here. But these camera risers, they come in different sizes, so you're probably gonna need the 10 centimeters and the 20 centimeters and the 30. So you need a bunch of all of these camera risers, and I thought that was pretty not so efficient solution to this problem. So that is why I went to my 3D printer and printed these spacers here. Took some measurements on the platform and the bowl here, and then went into Autodesk Fusion 360 and made these spacers. And first I did this thinner one, but I noticed that it was a little bit too thin and the whole thing was wobbling quite a lot. So I made this much thicker spacer, and I'm printing right now the third one, but by only using these two thicker spacers, this is very, very sturdy. These don't flex at all. Very, very sturdy. So that is just a quick tip. And if you're doubting the usefulness of a 3D printer, I can tell you right now, you gotta get one immediately. I'm always amazed how much I can do with my 3D printer. It really helps me in my daily work and also all my, indie filmmaking projects that I'm doing also. So I'm going to do a little bit more behind the scenes with this production we are doing in the upcoming week here. It's going to be very fun. We're going to do this Christmas cozy scene here with the 3D and 3D tracking and all of that. So that's going to be pretty cool. So this is a quick one today, and if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Bye!